People should be careful about what they post online in general, but you really should be careful if you have a personal injury case. And if you start posting yourself online, going out, doing a bunch of stuff, enjoying yourself, it can cut down on your ability to claim in a deposition, for example, that you're injured and your life has been altered and you'll never be the same. It's harder to make that argument, however, out of context, pictures, videos, stuff like that, because you have to know that insurance defense lawyers are trolling you and looking all over the place and trying to find whatever they can to create any type of doubt as to the validity of your case. And you have to anticipate that, and that's why you can't have pictures of you out living this active lifestyle if you claim that you have a serious back injury, for example, and you're out playing basketball or hunting or riding a bike or running or something like that. You can understand however isolated that may be, and that may be you just having a good day, that it's going to make it much, much harder to plausibly argue that you're really hurt that badly. And that is going to be evidence that could be introduced at trial, and it's going to hurt your credibility, and it's going to be used to impeach you as a witness and to cut down on the amount of money, if any, that the insurance company has to pay out as a result of what you're doing. So you just have to be careful. We have social media clauses in our fee contract saying, look, you do something stupid, we have the right to get out of this because we just, sometimes you can ruin a case by, posting something online that you haven't thought much about, that was ill-advised, and it doesn't matter what your privacy settings are. You may have put them in the wrong way. Somebody may have friended you covertly in order to look at something. No, they're not supposed to do that, but it happens all the time, and your privacy settings may not be what you think they are. So if you're in a personal injury case, don't post a bunch of pictures of you out doing stuff. Probably shouldn't be out doing those things anyways if you claim you're really hurt. It doesn't mean you can't be active still, but it just hurts your case, so you have to be careful what you post online in all instances, but especially in personal injury cases.